What if I told you you can make $1 million day trading this year? Maybe it sounds a little bit far from your reality right now, but let me tell you something, guys. This is actually more realistic and more achievable than what you actually think. It's all about math probability combined with a very powerful and high winning rate strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make this possible for this 2026 trading year. Hello, guys. My name is Aldrich, and before we start, I want to wish everybody a very successful and profitable 2026, and I want to see everybody win, and that's why I am making this video. Okay, guys, this is about how can you compound and grow an account to $1 million. Okay, we're gonna do this with the power of compounding. This is a mathematical formula that I have been using for many years. Okay, since I have memory 17 years back, okay, when I started trading. This is the magic, okay, that you apply every time you win a trade. You're gonna increase your lot size. Now, right now, what you are looking at on the screen, this is one of my advanced compound sheet ladders that I have been using for many years. I love this sheet because you can modify the values. Okay, so the starting balance, okay, let's say you start with $500, or also you can modify the growth, the daily growth that you're gonna have every single day after each trade. Okay, when you win a trade, let's say you start with $100 balance, you win a trade, you make 8%. Okay, guys, so after that, you're gonna make, let's say, $40 profit. Okay, and it's gonna be adding up after each trade, and also it's gonna tell you the lot size that you should be using. Now, the reason that I'm showing you this is because you can actually achieve $1 million in 100 trades. Okay, as you can see, when you achieve and you reach 100 trades, you are gonna be at the point of $1 million. Okay, now this is not gonna be easy, but it's achievable, as you can see, guys. Now, you're gonna need a very powerful and high winning rate mechanical trading strategy. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the results so far of one of my favorite strategies that I created and I have been using for many years, and I have been using it to grow many accounts throughout these years. Yes, I have done many account flips. Okay, I have shown, if you are new to my channel, you can see my previous videos, and I have many account flips. Okay, I have there all of the results. You can see the growth, my journey, my students. Okay, guys, so let me just show you some examples. So this is one of the accounts. As you can see, this is a real account, and it grew from $10,000 to $100,000. Okay, this is by compounding and using my strategy, do all in Y5. Let me just show you the amount of average pips. Okay, about 25 pips. If you already know me, you know that I talk a lot about compounding and trading and taking 20 pips every single day. Okay, this is very achievable, very realistic, and this methodology has helped me and my students grow accounts consistently because it's going to give you a boost of confidence by taking 20 pips every single day. In a little bit, we're going to go to the charts, and I'm going to show you how you can approach the charts in a very simplistic method. Also, this was another account that I did from last year. Okay, it started from $50 and I grew it to $1,500, $1,500. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this is a real account. This is the balance from my broker account. Okay, and if you go back to the beginning, we're gonna see that the account started with just $50. Okay, so that's what I mean, and that's why I wanted to make this video, guys, because you don't need a lot of capital, but you need a good strategy, and yes, you need discipline. And also nowadays we have the beauty of the prop firms. Okay, now it's easier than ever to be trading an account with $100,000 or even more, because if you have many accounts, then it's going to be actually easier. Okay, guys, now last year, I want to say something very important. Last year was one of the best years because we broke record in student prop firms. And I want to mention something I am very proud of my students and my community is that last year we broke the record of amount of student funded accounts, which was $4 million. Okay, now this is a huge advantage because we are a very small community, and I have noticed that in average, after joining my community and my service, learning my trading systems, in average, I have seen students getting funded in about 2 months from joining. Let's go back. This is the account. As you can see, this is the balance. Okay. And it started with $50 and it was growing and growing and growing consistently. Okay. And as you can see, I was just focusing in gold and Nasdaq. Okay, this is the main pairs that I do trade. And as you can see, it reached $1,500, $1,500. And also one of the best things is that I achieved this with almost 90% profitability. So that is huge. Okay, that's a amazing results. So let me just show you guys so far the results for one of my favorite strategies called the 1-on-5. Okay, it's very easy to apply, very simple to learn. Okay, it's very mechanical, and applying this strategy, you're going to be able to achieve and consistently compound and grow your account or get funded. Okay, guys, so far these are the trades for January 2026, and it's amazing. So far, 12 trades with 100% win rate. Haven't lost a single trade. This is trading with Nasdaq, and I trade the 5-minute chart. Total pips are 1,123, and the average risk reward ratio, it's almost 3. Okay, so for every 1 R, you're going to be making 3 R. Okay, so that's a huge thing, guys, because this is not just a scalping system or a day trading system, but this is a profitable, mechanical, and very profitable. This is a very powerful trading system. Okay, and the average TP, it's 94 pips. So there you go. These are the risk reward ratios for every trade taken. Okay, now it is optional for you if you want to take, let's say, for every trade a 1-to-2 or maybe a 1-to-1. Okay, me personally, I love just taking 20 points. That's it. Okay, guys, because here you can see the pips risk, and they are kept extremely small. Okay, between 20 to 25 pips. So that's very consistent, and the amount of possible pips profit, it's pretty large. Okay, also guys, I want to invite you, you can check the link below. This is my free Telegram. You can join. For this year, I'm going to be introducing a new concept called precision range protocol. This is mind-blowing, guys. This is extremely powerful. For the people that join the mentorship, which actually I have some spots left, you're going to be able to learn this, and you're going to be able to trade with me. Okay, and you're going to be able to have free Zoom calls. Now, this is the cheapest price that you will ever find it, and you will be able to access lifetime all of my trading strategies. Okay, guys, so as you can see, also, you're going to be able to have for free the Money Printer 2.0 indicator, which is my custom indicator. Okay, as you can see, this is also extremely powerful. Here you can check some trades. It's been having like a fantastic win rate. You can see basically every day is winning. Okay, this is amazing. And the only thing you have to do is just take the arrow, and that's it. You just write the trend, and that's it. As you can see, guys, look at that. Just every single trade, it's profitable with this indicator. Okay, guys, so first of all, let's analyze gold and how you can make a lot of money trading. Okay, and how after every trade you're gonna be able to compound. Just try to keep it as simple as possible. Okay, keep your charts clean, and you're gonna be fine. Okay, so one of the first things that I do, okay, is just always look to the left. Okay, now I know gold, it's been creating new all-time highs. Okay, because remember, gold will always go up whenever you have a lot of global conflicts going on, just like right now. Okay, guys, so gold is a safe haven for investors, and the price of gold will always go up. So as you can see, guys, this was the high from the previous day. So right here, we mark this level. Okay, so what you do is that whenever price approaches one of these very important levels, okay, you're going to be aware, and you're going to be waiting for a liquidity sweep. Okay, just like this one. Okay, now, as you can see, guys, if I zoom in, you're going to be able to see that first we had a candlestick closing above. Okay, but after that, this next candle right here, okay, made a sweep of this candlestick's high. Okay, so basically what it did was a little fake out. Okay, so inside these candles, you're gonna be able to see a fake out happening, okay? The body of this candle closed back below, okay? And after that, we had a huge move down, okay, guys? Now, one of the most important things that you have to identify as a trader is the trend, okay? So in this case, previously, we were very bullish, okay? That's very, very obvious. And the way you can do that is identify the highs and the lows. Okay, so here you can see prices making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, it's very, very clean. Price action right now in gold, it's very, very clean. Okay, now you can trade anything you want. Okay, but I would suggest you to stick to one pair and one trading session. Okay, guys. So after that, price made this high. Okay, and it started to make lower lows and lower highs. As you can see, now we are trending to the downside. Okay, so this is one of the most important things that you have to do as a trader. Okay, so let me just remove this, and you're going to be able to see that this drawing represents a perfect change of market structure from bullish to bearish. Now, let me just show you that my indicator gave the sell signal at this level. Perfect. So the arrows that you can see on the chart, this is my indicator that I was talking about, and you're going to be able to get it for free when you join the mentorship program. Okay, guys, as you can see, we made a liquidity sweep. Okay, and after that, we made a lower high. Okay, so price failed to continue making a new high. So at this point, we knew that price was gonna trend to the downside. Now in here, we can see that price broke this low, okay? And that's when the new trend started. So the cherry on top was this amazing, amazing signal. Let me grab my marker. And as you can see, we got the sell signal. It does not repaint, okay? And you could have simply take your trade and your stops somewhere safe and look at all of the potential move to the downside, okay? And actually, guys, let me just delete everything. Here we had another sell signal. Okay, so it is very reliable, very powerful. I have a set of rules that you have to follow so that you can get an even higher win rate. So your short position was somewhere around this area. Okay, your stops above. And as you can see, guys, all of this was the potential profits that you could have made with this single trade. Now, as you can see, this was a 1-to-4 risk reward ratio trade. Okay, so that means that you're gonna make 4 steps. Okay, so let's say you start with a $500 balance and you're gonna make a 4R. This is gonna be your ending balance for the trade. Okay, guys, so you see now what I mean, that it is realistic and achievable to reach by the end of the year 100 trades. You're going to be able to reach a balance of $1 million. Okay, now you have to think long term. Don't think that you're going to make that $1 million in 1 week. Okay, you have 100 trades to make this happen. Okay, so maybe it can take you 6 months, or maybe it can take you the whole year. But what I mean is that it is possible based on a combination of mathematics and a high winning rate and a very, very powerful trading system, just like the ones that I teach you inside my members area. I have been trading for 17 years and my strategies are extremely, extremely powerful. If you want to learn from me, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can achieve this. You're going to be able to have private sessions with me, okay, via Zoom calls with me, okay, anytime you want. This is the website. In here, you create your login account, you proceed, and this is actually the cheapest price that you will ever get, okay? After this, it's gonna increase, okay, because I haven't increased prices in many, many years. That's the mentorship, and you will get access to all of the systems, okay, Dual NY5, the compound sheet ladder. Also, you're gonna get a trading plan, you're gonna get the indicator, okay, and in case that you just wanna get the indicator, it's this, okay, this is the other website. You're gonna find everything on the description down below of this video. And also, if you wanna get the trading systems, this is your option. So let me just finish analyzing, okay, this little trade from today. This was from gold. Okay, guys, so this right here, this is what you call an FDR. So as you can see, price reached that level and it rejected. Now, if we measure this move, okay, you're gonna be able to see that it was exactly at the 50% of that move. Okay, guys, now let me go back. Okay, and this could have been a secondary trade in case you missed this initial trade. Okay, so you take your entry and your stop loss right above the FTR zone, and this could have been your first target right here. You can always target the next or the nearest structure low or high, such as this one. Okay, and let's say you want to keep some runner positions, then you can target this low. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this was another 1 to 4, okay, because the stop loss was actually a little smaller compared with the previous trade that we took. Okay, guys, so as you can see, this happened during the same session, and my students, guys, have been doing a fantastic job. As you can see, this one, he made 80K, okay? He was back testing and he had basically a perfect win rate. Guys, I really want to see everybody win, okay? This is the beginning of the year. Let's just make this the best year yet. I want to help you. And if you want to learn more from me and my amazing strategies, then you are welcome. I have some spaces left and you can join my private mentorship program. I will see you on the next video. I wish you lots of success. See you guys.